Hey guys, today I just want to show you a couple of the websites and programs that I would like to use over the next few weeks while we're not here in school. The first one is really going to be this northernpbmath.weebly.com. This is my website, and I think most of you have been here at some point already throughout the course of the year. But just to verify, guys, again, it's northernpbmath.weebly.com. Now, on the main page are a few new things that you may not have already seen. I've added a few things to get us started for the next few weeks. The first one is this Remind 101. If you have not already signed up for Remind, please do so. You want to text your class's code to 81010 to get yourself signed up. I will be sending out Remind links over the next few weeks to let you know when I have something uploaded for you to work on. The second one is goformative.com. Again, I think some of you have already done this, but if you have not, go to goformative.com, create an account, and use your class's code to get yourself signed up so that you get the assessments that are necessary for your class. The next one is my YouTube channel. Now, I will be posting videos on this website, but if you would like to sign up to get reminders and notifications, you can subscribe to my channel. That way you will have instantaneously known when a new video is available. So you won't have to wait for the remind. You'll know it's already there. The last one is this Microsoft Lens tool. This is something that you can download to your phone. It will allow you to take pictures that will turn into PDFs. They will save immediately to your OneDrive. This will allow you to send me files when we have written assignments. So you can get that written assignment to me in a format that I can read and get back to you. So if you don't already have a scanner at home, I would recommend downloading this app to your phone. Now we're going to go ahead and get started here with the first assignment. Now I want you to find your class's page. I've created the same assignment for everybody because we're going to be using the same tools across all of the classes. I'm going to go ahead and go to the geometry page here to show you what to look for. Now on this geometry page, the first assignment is going to be this happy place assignment. And again, this is going to be on all of the pages, so look for your class. What I'd like you to do for this first assignment is upload a photo of something that makes you happy. Now all you have to do is put in your name and your email, so I know who has sent it to me. And you're going to pick a file of something that makes you happy. Now I use the Microsoft Lens app, and I would recommend you to do so as well. If you do not have a scanner at home, I would practice using this tool so you know how to use it moving forward. Again, I'm going to go ahead and hit choose file. And this is a picture of something my 2-year-old niece colored for me. It brings me joy. It makes me happy. So I'm going to go ahead and use that photo that I used or that I took using the Microsoft Lens app. I'm going to go ahead and click and hit open. And once I've got it chosen, I see it there. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And that should be it for your first assignment, guys, submitting that piece. The second part of this assignment, guys, is this GoFormative. I want you guys to make sure you are able to access this GoFormative. You are able to get in for your class. So you're going to go ahead and click the link, and there's going to be just 2 questions on this first formative. First one is going to be multiple choice. On this multiple choice question, there it is. The video right now is telling you to answer C. So when you get into this, you should answer C for the first question. If you answer incorrectly, it's going to kick it back to you. You'll see a red dot. It tells you you are wrong and you need to fix it. So if you pick A or B, you're wrong. You want to click until you get to C, which will give you a green check mark, a green box, letting you know it is correct. The second question is a code word. I'm picking the code word of pumpernickel because I think it is funny. So go ahead and click in pumpernickel for the second question. Once you've done that, guys, that's really it for your first assignment. You're going to make that submission of something that makes you happy, continue with your GoFormative first assignment, and then we're done for today, guys. I'll let you know some more tomorrow, but once you have those things completed, you're finished for math for today.